Welcome to our Linux tutorial series. In episode 1, we'll cover directories in Linux, understand the root directory, the home directory, learn about your current location using the pwd command, and see the difference between absolute and relative paths. We'll also cover some important special symbols. Let's get started. In Linux, a directory is similar to a folder in Windows. It can contain files and other directories. Linux organizes everything in a hierarchical structure that starts from the root directory. The root directory is the very top of the Linux file system. It is represented by a single /. Every file and folder in Linux are subdirectories inside the root directory. In Linux, every user has their own home directory inside the home folder. For example, my username is BlueFalcon, so my home directory is /home/BlueFalcon. This is my personal space where I store files and folders. To find out where you are in the Linux file system, you use the pwd command, which stands for Print Working Directory. When you type pwd, it shows the full path of your current location. For example, it displays /home/BlueFalcon/downloads, because we are in the downloads directory. An absolute path gives the full address of a file or folder, starting from the root directory. So, it always begins with a /, which is the symbol of the root directory. For example, this is the absolute path of a file in the downloads directory. No matter where you are in the system, this absolute path will always point to the same file. A relative path is based on your current location in the file system. For example, because we are in /home/BlueFalcon, the relative path to the downloads directory is simply downloads. This is called a relative path because it depends on where you are right now. In Linux, there are some special symbols with specific meanings. # means the current directory you are in, 2 dots mean the parent directory, which is one level up, and the tilde represents your home directory. If you are in /home/BlueFalcon/downloads/projects. # refers to projects, the current directory. 2 dots refers to downloads, one level up. And tilde refers to BlueFalcon, your home directory. In the next video, I will show you how to change directories using the cd command. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me and motivates me to create more tutorials like this. If you have any questions or anything to share, write them in the comments, I'll be happy to reply.